Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Robot AT8XM review. Guys, I wrote the full review about this system Robot AT8XM on my blog for marketing. Here is a lots of information I put about this system, like what is a Robot AT8XM system and what exactly is the Robot AT8 system, the story behind the name, how does the AT8XM robot works in its magic, and sorry, features that make a Robot AT8XM a breakthrough system, and the real world benefits. Is Robot AT8XM legit and safe? The crucial truth is here. How to get started and claim your first $632.14. And don't let this opportunity slip away. Frequent last questions. I write down everything about this system on my blog, guys. Here's a full information. You can see the full review link in my video description below, and I will provide the official website link. This is the official website of Robot AT8XM system, and you guys just put your first name and the email address, and then you can click the receive my $632.14, and the price is only $6.80. This is exactly the fees, and 60 days money back guarantee, and you will be able to instant access this system, this robot that will generate money continuously. Okay, I'm just back on my blog, and here is a full review that I'm going to show you step by step right now, guys. So please don't skip this video. And if you want to really make money from online, this is the exact system that really help you to generate money. Okay, and if you fail this method and after join this system you think this is not suitable for you, then you can refund your money within 60 days. You can try it out 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Okay guys, here's a lots of information here. Right now I'm going to show you guys what exactly is the Robot AT8XM system. The Robot AT8XM is a fully automated AI-powered system designed to generate consistent profits from a hidden loophole in the financial markets. But this is not some faceless program built by a shadowy corporation. It's the brainchild of Roman Rosilio, a 38-year-old family man and former top-tier cybersecurity engineer at Apple. I also write down Roman Rosilio full information, who is this guy and his work experience, everything I write down here on my blog, guys. Okay, on my blog post that can really help you. This someone, you can see lots of reviews, lots of controversial opinion. This is the robot, this is the trading robot, forex trading. This is not actually, guys, forex trading. This is the exact system that generate money. Okay, so you guys must read this full review, then you can decide it, if you want to join or avoid. Okay, guys, here is, you can see, after the earning his masters in computer, this guy Roman Rosilio, computer engineering from MIT, and spending 11 years protecting sensitive data at one of the world's most powerful companies, Roman discovered something incredible. He found this secret legal loophole within Apple's File Transfer Protocol (FTP) that could be harnessed to generate automatic transfers. He spent over 7 months coding and perfecting a robot to exploit this loophole. He named it AT8XM, which stands for Automatic Transfer 8x per month. That is the core of this system. It's designed to send you 2 transfer of $632.14 every single week on Wednesdays and Saturdays, totaling over $5,057 every month, like clockwork. And when you join this system, you will be fully understand, guys, how does the AT8XM robot work. It's magic. Absolutely, this is the magic. The process is surprisingly simple for the user, because all the complex work happens behind the scenes and the AI scans the market. The robots advanced AI operate 24/7 constantly, guys. You know, robot have no rest, no dinner, no breakfast. So a robot will work 24/7 for you, and they will generate money for you. Here is a lots of information about this system. Okay, guys, key features that make Robot AT8XM a breakthrough system. This is not just another app, it's a comprehensive financial tool, AI powered precision, 24/7 unsupervised performance, and extremely user friendly, high speed, secure, transparency, and built in risk management. The real world benefits more than just money. Lots of info, guys. Just click the link, and here is the official website link, and you guys read the full information, then you will be fully understand. And also, if you have any questions, your questions available answer is here. I think this information really help you to understand this system, Robot AT8XM, and this is the official website link in my video description below also. I hope, guys, I have given you enough information about this system, Robot AT8XM. I hope you guys have subscribed my channel. If you want to really make money from online, please subscribe my channel, 𝗟𝗓𝗪, and you can join this system, my recommendation. 𝗟𝗓𝗪, thank you. See you soon our next video.